In today's video, we will be preparing cucumber peel chutney. This chutney goes good with rice, chapati, dosa or idli. This takes no time to prepare. It is very quick and easy chutney which takes very few ingredients. Welcome to Daily Recipes. In today's video, we will be preparing cucumber peel chutney. Now let's dive right into the procedure. We require all ingredients to be roasted or fried for this chutney. To a hot pan, add Bengal gram. Roast halfway through and then add split black gram. Fry for few minutes and then add cumin seeds. Once cumin seeds splatter, take away the fried ingredients and allow to cool. To the same pan, add 1 tablespoon oil and fry the cucumber peel along with some fresh coriander. Fry until rawness disappears and then keep aside, allowing to cool. To the same pan, add 5 to 6 dried red chilies to roast until it's crispy. Then add a little tamarind and roast further. When they are roasted enough, keep aside and allow to cool. To the same pan, add 1 tablespoon oil and fry 1 small onion till it's golden brown. Then add 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Fry further till it's almost done. Add some freshly grated coconut and fry till they are almost dry, then keep aside to cool. Once all these ingredients are cool to room temperature, grind all this to a coarse mixture along with some salt to taste. In the next step, we will add some oil to the pan. Allow the oil to heat and then add mustard seeds. Once mustard seeds splatters, add a pinch of asafoetida and curry leaves. Then add the blended chutney and fry on high flame until it does not stick to the pan. Now your chutney is ready to be served with chapati, dosa, idli or rice. If you like such content and want to learn cooking within 30 minutes or less, then consider subscribing. We upload such videos twice a week. Like the video if this helped you. Share it with your friends and comment down below what you would like to see in the upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.